Not all LED TVs are the same. Certain Sony Bravia televisions feature full-array LED technology for a more vibrant and realistic picture. Here's how. Conventional LED televisions use just one row of LEDs to balance light across the whole panel. So darker areas of the picture are not as defined, and the light areas are not as bright, meaning your image on screen isn't as crisp and lifelike as it could be. But full-array LED TVs place more LEDs across the whole of the panel. And with Sony Bravia TVs, the built-in Extended Dynamic Range Pro technology controls each of these LED zones in real time. So the picture always has more accurate blacks and realistic peaks of brightness. Compared side by side, you can see the full-array LED picture on the Sony Bravia is better with deeper shadows, brighter highlights and vivid color. It's this technology and its performance that brings new levels of realism to everything you watch. Sony Bravia with full-array LED.